guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. For those of you that are new, my name is Maggie and welcome. Please don't mind the chaos behind me. It's been a filming day, so just lots of stuff everywhere. Today I'm going to show you how to make a strawberry lemonade slushy. This is the most refreshing thing ever. You are going to love it. It's going to be your go-to summer drink, I guarantee it. If you want to get a little frisky, you can put some vodka in here. I'm not here to judge. Clearly I can't do that at the moment, but I want to show you just how easy this is to make and how refreshing and delicious. So if you want to see how it comes together, just keep on watching. So for the strawberry part of this, you're going to need some frozen strawberries, some ice cubes, and then some simple syrup. And then you're also going to need a really powerful blender. I'm using my Ninja today. So all you're going to do is just basically put everything into your blender, just like so. I have about a cup of strawberries and about a cup and a half of ice. And then you're going to add in a little bit of your simple syrup. Before I froze my strawberries, I tasted them, and they weren't super sweet. So I'm going to do about a quarter cup or so of my simple syrup. Then you're just going to blend it. Going to get loud, so be careful. All right. Ooh, goodness, sorry. So here's the slushy. As you can see, it's gorgeous. Now all I'm going to do is try to get it into my glasses. I'm going to maneuver it in. It's pretty tough. It's not a milkshake or a smoothie. This is a slushy, so just going to try to get it in there without embarrassing myself. So for my lemon slushy, what you're going to need is additional ice, the rest of your simple syrup, and about a cup of lemon juice. I ran short, so I have about 3/4 of a cup here, but I'll be fine. I'll make it work. I'm going to add everything in here, and I'm going to do most of my simple syrup because, well, lemons, they're very lemony. All right, I'm going to go ahead and mix this up. All right, here's the lemon slushy. It's a lot more watery than the strawberry because obviously lemon juice is runny. Look at that. When it's mixed together, oh, beautiful. Look at that. Perfection. Perfect for two. And then you garnish with a fresh slice of lemon and you're all set to enjoy. So this obviously you would drink with a straw. I don't have any, and I didn't bother to pick any up, so I'm gonna do mine with the spoon until I can drink it. But the combination between the sweet and the sour, it's like perfection. I'm telling you guys, you are gonna love this. It's perfect. So refreshing, incredible for the summer. Make sure you check it out. The recipe is gonna be written out for you on the lazygirlskitchen.com. Until then, enjoy the video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.